This holiday weekend is without one popular tradition for millions of people in California. All beaches in the state are closed as part of Governor Gavin Newsom's effort to control the rising COVID-19 infection rates there. COVID cases are surging in dozens of states across the country, bringing the total number to more than 2.79 million, and the death toll is rising to more than 129,000. Michael George is in Rockaway Beach, New York. Michael, good morning to you.
Jeff, good morning. Thousands are expected to pack Rockaway Beach here later today, and they'll be greeted by city workers reminding them that masks are required on the sand and the boardwalk. It's a 4th of July unlike any other, with the coronavirus now at an all-time high across the U.S., and health experts blaming the decision by states to reopen early and many openly defying safety rules. 4th of July fireworks may be loaded and ready to launch on the National Mall in Washington, D.C., but in the nation's fight against the coronavirus, there's little to celebrate.
Right now, we are heading 1,000,000 miles per hour in the wrong direction.
New U.S. cases in a single day hit record highs Wednesday, Thursday, and again Friday, when more than 57,000 new cases were reported, showing the pandemic is winning.
It's absolutely the saddest thing, the most unnecessary situation that we're finding ourselves in, and it's behaviorally driven.
Cases in 37 states have risen since the economy started to reopen. In Arizona, 50 Phoenix firefighters tested positive. Another 40 are in quarantine. In Florida, a state where leaders resisted safety measures, 10,000 new cases were recorded Thursday alone. But now, with some Florida hospitals stretched to the limits caring for patients, Miami-Dade County put in a 10 p.m. to sunrise curfew until further notice. There and in other parts of the nation, popular beaches will be closed this holiday weekend.
We all wish we could have the beaches open, but it's just not the right thing to do.
Malibu, California Mayor Karen Farrer is keeping an eye on surfers after the governor ordered most Southern California beaches closed again. Since they reopened 3 weeks ago, there's been a surge in cases, including some lifeguards. And Galveston, Texas closed beaches, fearing crowds would pour in from Houston, where 1 out of 4 people tested positive.
Primarily, we're seeing a surge in young people who are really just not paying any regard to the risk of this.
A frustration for health professionals.
Do we really have to say #don't kill grandma? People have to realize there are consequences to getting infected and spreading it to people who are vulnerable. They can die.
Many cities now require masks. In Santa Monica, anyone not wearing one could end up with a ticket. And Chicago is joining several areas, including New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, requiring visitors from hotspot states quarantine for 14 days upon arrival.
We're going to do everything that we can to keep members of the public safe.
That includes visitors from California, and some aren't happy about it.
I'm not going to go somewhere that's in full quarantine. Like, once you set foot on that ground, like, you have to quarantine. That's what that means. Like, I don't want to have to go through that.
And here in New York, one of the parts of the country with the lowest infection rates, leaders are alarmed about what's happening in the rest of the U.S. Indoor dining was supposed to start again on Monday. Now that's been postponed indefinitely. Michelle?
Michael, better to be safe than sorry. Thank you so much.